Hey guys, I'm back with a new video. In this video I'll discuss about super function and the concept of overriding, which we already discussed in inheritance. So let us define two classes, universe and planet. So I'll first define our universe class. So class universe, and let us define a class variable, and I will name it as universe underscore statement. So I'll use a multi-line string or the doc strings, and I will say I am the universe in which all galaxies and many celestial bodies are present. And now let us define the constructor function for the universe class. So I can say def double underscore init double underscore pass on the self parameter, and right inside the constructor function let us define some public data attributes. So I can say self dot universe variable and set that to a new universe is going to be created in just a minute, and self dot override me planet class is supposed to override me. And now let us define our planet class. So I can say class planet, and this will inherit from the universe class. Then let us define a class variable for our planet class, and I will name it as planet statement. I am in class planet. And now let us define the constructor function for our planet class. So def double underscore init double underscore pass on the self parameter. Now using the super function we can refer our base class directly from within the constructor of our derived class, and then let us try to access the class variable of our base class, which is universe underscore statement. So I can say print super called, and then on the super function I can access the universe statement which is available on the base class. Now with super function you can directly refer to the base class and then access the class variable available on the base class, which is universe statement, and then self dot override me, and I will say here done with overriding. So this is our derived class implementation. Now let us create two objects, one for the universe and one for the planet. So I can say creating objects. So universe object universe and planet object planet. Now let us try to access some attributes and methods. So I'll first print universe object dot universe variable. Then let us print the override me public variable for both our universe and planet instances. So I can say universe object dot override me and planet object dot override me. And now let us run the file. So I can say python super.py, and now you can see we have overridden our override me variable in our derived class that we got from our parent class, which is a base class universe. So this was a very short video on super function and overriding. So if you liked the video, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon to get the notification for all the upcoming uploads, and I will see you guys in the very next one.